Hi, I'm Wes from MintDeals. MintDeals is a platform for small businesses to create clubs, offer exclusive tokenized deals as NFTs, and access a DeFi credit facility via integration with Just-Lend-DAO. Today, I'll walk you through the platform from both the consumer and business perspectives. As a business owner, I'll start by visiting mintdeals.vercel.app. I'm going to click Start Your Own Club, Sign, and then I'm going to fill out my business and club details. Then, to complete the process, I'm going to pay a small USDD creation fee to create the club. Once my club is live, I'll then log into my dashboard. Now, let's go to Manage Deals. I'll click New Deal to set up an exclusive offer. Here, I'll enter all the details. Then we click on Create Deal and Confirm to make this deal ready for minting as NFTs by club members. Now, let's see the platform as a customer. First, I'll go to the home page and then I'll sign to log in and click Discover Clubs. Here, I'm interested in the St. Paul's Travelers Club. So, I'm going to click Join Club. I'm going to choose USDD and join. Here, I'll enter the amount that I'm going to pay and sign. And that's it. I'm part of the club. Now, I'm going to go to My Clubs. I'm going to click View Deals to see the deals available. I'm going to mint this deal. To redeem, I can simply click My Minted Deals, then click Request Redemption on the deal I wish to redeem. This request now goes to the club owner for approval. Switching back to the club owner's perspective, I'm going to log in so I can view all redemption requests. I'm going to go to Redemptions and I'm going to click Approve. This approval burns the NFT and the club member would have now successfully redeemed their deal. Now let's go to Access Credit. I'm going to click Borrow Funds, Shared Credit, enter the amount, sign to confirm the transaction, and that's it. I've just borrowed some USDT. I can repay at any time. I click in Repay, choose where, choose the amount, and sign. And that's it. To recap, MintDeals empowers businesses to grow through these tokenized deals and access on-chain credit, all while strengthening customer loyalty. Thanks for watching. Let's explore the future of tokenized deals and DeFi-powered credit with MintDeals today.